Hello dears. In this tutorial you will learn how to activate a built-in input form in Excel and how to add a special button to your worksheet to open the form. You may not know it, but Excel has a special form for entering data in a spreadsheet that makes the input process faster, more user-friendly, and less error-prone, especially in large worksheets. So first you need to make it visible by adding the Form button to the ribbon or the Quick Access toolbar, or both. For this purpose, firstly add the Form tool in Quick Access toolbar. Click on the small down arrow on the Quick Access toolbar, then select all commands and search the Form command, then add it. And close this window. See, you have a form icon here. Now select the headers or a cell of headers and then click on Form button. We have a form. Type the information in the appropriate fields. Use Tab button to come in next field easily. When done, hit the Enter key or click the New button. This will add the record to the table and get a blank form for the next record. To go through the records one by one, you can use the Find Previous and Find Next buttons or the vertical scroll bar. If you want to remove some data from the form, then use the Delete button. If you made some accidental changes but have not pressed the Enter key yet, you can revert to the original record by clicking the Restore button.